Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming hardware, A40 headset, mix amp if included, and the correct USB or optical cable. Plug the mix amp into PC USB and optical or USB only depending on your model, then power on. Once done, install Astro Command Center so the PC recognizes firmware and routing. This app handles mic side settings. Make sure Windows is updated and uninstall any conflicting audio drivers before proceeding so the new driver installs cleanly and reliably. Next, open Astro Command Center and follow firmware prompts. Updating now prevents recognition issues. Once firmware is current, go to Windows Sound Settings and set the mix amp or A40 as the default recording device and default communications device. Then return to the app to set input gain, side tone, and EQ so your voice is clear without clipping. Also choose a stable sample rate, 48 kHz recommended, because it balances quality and latency. Test with the Windows microphone test and a voice recorder to confirm levels. To finish, test the mic in your target apps, Discord, Steam, and an in-game voice channel, so you can adjust per application volume. If you hear nothing, make sure the headset mute slider is open and the mix amp channel is correct. Then try a different USB port and a fresh cable to rule out hardware faults. If the mix amp is unresponsive, perform a hardware reset by holding the power and channel buttons together until lights flash. This often restores normal operation without further steps.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.